came back with a little bit of food, I guess. Going to start to take off again. Let's see if I can follow it a little bit. That was quick. And here, I think he's going to be coming back in a few seconds. Here it comes. There it comes again. There's some grass or something. It's definitely building a nest. And then it's going to take off again. There it goes. Going to come back again. There it comes. There it just landed again with more twigs in its mouth. Drops it off to the other bird. And then it starts to take off again. There it goes. It's too quick to, but that's it. It's building a nest. Bye.